Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the issue where you're not receiving the verification code from Telegram. So let's jump straight into it, and the first thing you'll need to do is head over to your settings, and then we're just going to scroll all the way down and come over to messages. From here you should see iMessage at the top, and we're just going to go ahead and turn this off. Then you'll need to wait 3 to 4 seconds and then we can turn this back on. This is basically just going to reset our iMessage settings. Then you'll need to scroll slightly further down the screen and come over to send as SMS. We're going to do the same thing here, just turn this off for 3 to 4 seconds and then once again turn this back on. Then keep scrolling down the screen until you find message filtering. Now it's very important that filter unknown senders is turned off. If you have this option enabled, then it could filter some of your messages including verification codes, which basically means you might not end up seeing them. So make sure this is switched off, and then we're going to scroll slightly back up the page over to blocked contacts. And on this screen, you'll see all of the numbers that are currently blocked on your mobile phone. Now we need to go through this list and unblock any numbers that could potentially be the verification code from Telegram. So usually it's quite a strange number and doesn't follow the typical format for a phone number. So it should be quite easy to spot. And to remove a number from here, we just need to come over to edit in the top right hand side, click on the minus symbol and then just select unblock. Once we've done that, we can come back out of this window, back over to the settings menu. And now from here, we're going to scroll all the way up to the top and you're going to go ahead and turn on airplane mode. Once again, just wait 2 to 3 seconds and then you can turn this back off. Finally, we're going to come over to VPN, and once again, just make sure you have VPN turned off here. This can also interfere with the Telegram app, so it's worth just trying to disable this. And once you've done all of these steps, we can head over to Telegram and try resending the verification code. Now, if that still doesn't work, another thing that I'd recommend doing is just dragging your finger from the top of the screen downwards, and that should bring up this menu here. And we just need to ensure that we're not in do not disturb mode. So if you do have do not disturb turned on here, then you'll need to go and disable that now. Then come back over to the home screen and head inside of settings, scroll down to general, inside of iPhone storage, and then scroll down this list of applications and locate Telegram. Once you've found Telegram, simply click on the application, click on offload app, and then just select offload app, and this will remove all of the cache and app data, and it will be like having a fresh installation of the application. So just go ahead and carry out those steps, and then once again we can head back over to Telegram and try resending the verification code. And hopefully by following all of the steps in this video, that's now fixed any verification issues you were having. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.